In just 3 months, faceless quiz channels have exploded in popularity. One particular channel has amassed millions of views and thousands of dollars in just the past month alone. It's astonishing how quickly these channels have skyrocketed to fame. You can make these entire 18-minute videos in a matter of minutes with the power of AI. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make these videos. Let's dive in. So what are these videos I'm talking about? Well, their most viral video is this one where they show 2 emojis and the viewers get tens to guess the word. Add a couple of these questions together with a nice introduction and you got yourself an amazing video. Great! Let's get started. First, we'll need to generate our quiz questions. We can do this super fast using ChatGPT. Ask it to generate 80 compound words. These are words made up of 2 separate words, perfect for our emoji quiz. Once you have your list, ask ChatGPT to split the words and add an emoji next to each part that best represents it. Next, we'll leverage ChatGPT's power to format everything perfectly. Here's what we'll do. Ask ChatGPT to organize the questions into a table. Column A, question number. Column B, first emoji. Column C, second emoji column. D, compound word. This will make sense later, trust me. Spice things up with a voiceover. Instruct ChatGPT to create an engaging voiceover for each question with 2 parts. Part 1, reveal the word, e.g., the answer is, or this one is. Part 2, engage viewers with a question, e.g., let's see if you can guess this one. Crucially, include a pause indicator, pause, after revealing the word. There's a reason for this. You'll see why by the end. It'll be worth the wait. As you can see, ChatGPT provides a voiceover line for each question in the table. Don't worry, I'll include all prompts in the video description. Let's start creating the video in Canva. Begin by opening the video format. First, add a background. Go to Elements on the left, search for Animated Background. Select Videos, and choose a background you like. Resize it to fill the entire screen. We'll need several elements for these videos. The question number in the top left corner, guess the word at the top, 2 emojis, a loading bar, and an image to display when time's up. Okay, let's start with the question number in the top left corner. Head to the text section on the left and add a text block. Just put the number 1 there for now. Position it in the top left corner of the design. Copy this text block and add the words guess the word above it. Create another text block for the emojis. Place a smiley face there as a placeholder and copy it. Let's make these emojis bigger. We also need a loading bar to show how much time players have to guess. Go to Elements on the left, search for loading bar, and select Videos. Pick one you like. Crop it down to just the green loading bar. Go to the top menu, select Border Style, and create a rounded corner. Use the line icon to increase the border weight and change the color to white, for example. Now you have a clean loading bar. Let's enlarge it a bit and put it in the center of the screen. For people to take a guess what the word is, we're going to need to place an image of that word. So go to Elements on the left side of the screen and add an image frame. Make this a little bit larger, and again go to Border Style in the top menu bar and increase the corner rounding. And let's again add a border line. I'm also going to make this line white. The last element is going to be the word displayed in the bottom of the screen. I'm just going to copy the text element and place it at the bottom of the screen. Now let's make all this a little bit more visually appealing. If you go to Elements on the left side of the screen, you can add a circle. I'm going to place this element behind the number, indicating on what question we are. Let's change the color of this circle, and again, add a border line and increase the border weight. I'm also going to make this one white. Now, if you select both elements, you can group the element to make it like one element. This is important. For the next step, I'm going to make the text guess the word white as well, and the last word yellow. Now, to make the final word look a bit nicer, I would recommend to add a square element and place this behind it. Change the color, and again go to Border Style, increase the quarter rounding, and again add a border line, which I'm also going to make white. Ensure that the text box is as wide as possible to accommodate various word sizes. Check if most words fit and make adjustments if needed. Next, select both elements and press Group to combine them into one element. Right-click and choose Show Timing. Then press Ctrl+A to select every element in your design, which will display all elements at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can adjust the timing. Set the emojis to start around 2 seconds into the video. Move your timing bar to 2 seconds and drag the start of the emoji elements to this point. This ensures the emojis appear 2 seconds into the video. The emojis should be visible for 10 seconds before disappearing, so move the timing bar to 12 seconds and drag the end of the emoji elements to this point as well. The image and the final word will appear after the emojis. Adjust the start of the image and the final word to begin right after the emoji's end. The loading bar should also match this timing. Start at 2 seconds and end at 12 seconds, just like the emojis. Here's how the timing looks. Since the background video is only 15 seconds long, the entire video also lasts 15 seconds. However, you need to display the image and the word for 5 seconds before moving to the next one. To adjust this, select the background video and reduce its speed to extend the duration. Shorten the background video to 17 seconds. This gives you 2 seconds at the start, 10 seconds to show the emojis, and 5 seconds to reveal the word. To make things more engaging, add animations. Select an element, like the first emoji, and go to Animations. For this element, add a pop animation and apply a wiggle motion effect to the emoji. Decrease the intensity of this motion effect, and you'll have something that looks like this. Do the same for the other emoji. Add a few more animations to the other elements as well. For example, apply a stomp animation to the image and the word, and you'll have a design that's much more engaging and professional. All right, your template is ready. Now for the magic. Go to the app's menu on the left side of the screen and search for bulk. Select Enter Data manually and press Clear Table. Next, go to ChatGPT and copy the entire table. Return to Canva and paste the table you created with ChatGPT. As you can see, the whole table is now in Canva. The number of your question, the first and second emojis, and the final revealing of the word. Click Done in the bottom right corner. Next, select the elements you want to link to this data. Start with the question number and click Connect Data. Choose the number data field. Now select the first emoji, click Connect Data, and choose Emoji 1. Do the same for Emoji 2 and for the revealing of the word. It's that simple. Click Continue in the bottom left corner, and you'll see that all 80 questions are now connected. Now select Generate Design, and within seconds, 99% of your video will be created. If you place your mouse between two elements, you can add a transition. For this type of video, I recommend using a white color transition. Adjust the colors to something you like, and you'll have a smooth transition between these two elements. If you select Apply to All Pages at the bottom of the screen, this transition will be added to every element in the video. As you can see, we're still missing images, and this is something you'll need to add manually. Go to Elements and search for the images you want to display. Then, head over to Photos and pick one you like. Now simply drag this photo into the frame. Repeat this process for the rest of your video. Before we can finalize the video with voiceover elements and sound effects, we'll need to add an introduction. I've asked ChatGPT to create an introduction voiceover script with a specific prompt. Just copy this text and go to 11 Labs, which is an AI voiceover software. It's by far the most realistic one available. They also offer a free plan that gives you more than enough voice generation to create these videos. I've included a link in the description if you'd like to try it out. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a section called Voices, where you can browse through hundreds of high-quality options. I think the Alex Young voice works best for these videos. Just paste in your text and click Generate Speech.
Welcome to the Emoji Quiz. In this fun game, you'll be given 10 seconds to guess the word based on 2 emojis.
Next, click the download icon and head back to Canva. Upload the voiceover and place it where needed. For the introduction, I'll be adding a new blank page at the beginning of the video. You can do this by hovering between 2 pages and selecting Add Page. Then, drag this new page to the start of the video. Extend this page a bit longer so it covers the entire intro voiceover. I recommend increasing the voiceover volume to 200%. You can do this by selecting the voiceover and then clicking the volume icon at the top of your screen. For the introduction of this video, I'll search for an emoji video in the Elements section of Canva. Enlarge it so it fits the entire screen. Next, add a text element with the words emoji quiz. If you go to Effects at the top of your screen, you can apply various effects to your text to make it stand out. Finally, let's adjust the timing for this text element, just like we did in the previous step. Right-click on the element and select Show Timing. Now listen to the voiceover to determine where this element should begin and drag the start of the element to that spot on the timeline. I'll also add an animation effect to this text element. Just include a few elements that match your voiceover for the intro, adjust their timing, and add some basic animation effects. This will give you something like this.
Welcome to the emoji quiz. In this fun game, you'll be given 10 seconds to guess the word based on 2 emojis. For each correct answer, you get 1 point. Keep track of your score and don't forget to comment your final score at the end of the video. Let's get started and see how many you can guess right.
Now, for the last step. And this step is going to completely transform your video, so pay close attention. We're going to add the voiceover elements we created with ChatGPT, along with some background music and sound effects. Let's start with the voiceover elements. Go to ChatGPT and copy the first voiceover element in the table. Next, head over to 11 Labs, paste in the text, and select Generate. Once the voiceover is ready, download it and return to Canva. Upload your voiceover and place it on the timeline. Increase the volume to 200%. Now you'll notice in this voiceover element, there are 2 parts with sound waves and 1 part in between where there's a pause. Place this pause at the point in the video where you transition from one page to the next. Simply select the voiceover element and drag it to the correct spot. If done correctly, it should look and sound like this.
Yep, spaceship it is, to infinity and beyond. Can you guess the next one?
Just repeat this process for all the other questions. Go to ChatGPT, copy the next voiceover line, paste it into 11 Labs, download the voiceover, upload it into Canva, and adjust the placement so the pause is perfectly timed between the 2 pages. For the final step, add some background music and sound effects. Go to Audio on the left side of the screen and search for background music that you think fits best with the video. Consider something funky for the background music, and I recommend setting the volume to 20. I'll also add some sound effects. For example, a whoosh transition sound effect, which I'll place between every page. So it sounds like this. An alarm sound effect when time is up, which will sound like this.
Yep.
And an impact sound effect when the image and word are shown.
Yep, spaceship it is, to infinity and beyond. Can you guess the next one?
Place these 3 sound effects on every page of your video, and you're all set. Now, select Download in the top right corner, and let's take a look at the final result.
Welcome to the emoji quiz. In this fun game, you'll be given 10 seconds to guess the word based on 2 emojis. For each correct answer, you get 1 point. Keep track of your score and don't forget to comment your final score at the end of the video. Let's get started and see how many you can guess right. Any idea? Yep, spaceship it is, to infinity and beyond. Can you guess the next one? Airport, ready for takeoff. What do you think this one is? Alright, armchair. Those were the first 3. Have you guessed them all so far?
Well, you get the point. Once you set this up, you can create these videos almost on autopilot. And remember, you can be very creative with your video ideas, like guessing the movie based on emojis and many other formats. Let me know in the comments if you liked it.